Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, just like in my case, select this gear instead. Following that, tap on voice typing and click on the white switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. You can manage all of those options however you want to, and when you're done, go back to your keyboard. Now click on the visible microphone icon. And if you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up. After seeing Speak Now command, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!